Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. In this video, probably won't help that many people. It's about tile. Somebody sent me an email and they thought they'd messed up. So they've got two CorelDraw pages open, two different pages, not pages like down here, but two different items that I had not named. But if you go to Windows in tile horizontally, you can see both those tile. These are two different Corel pages. So when you're clicked on one or clicked on the other one, you can do stuff to it. You could put this one in the center of the page. You could Control D, and if you need that rectangle from that page, you can just move it to this page and hit P. And now it's on that page. Well, his question was, how does he get rid of these windows? Because he tried to X out and it shuts them down. All you have to do is go to Windows and combine the windows, and now you're back. This is your 1 and your number 3, and you can see that I've moved that rectangle there and it's still there. So you could do them vertically. To me, it's not as good because it doesn't look like the page. You can go back and go horizontally, and you've got them like this. And you could probably even make the one you're working on bigger, like this. And if you needed a part, like if you needed an ellipse from that page, you can just move it to this page if you're working on two pages. If you need that original still there, Control D and make a duplicate and move it to that page. That way you can kind of be working on two pages. I've never done that. Some people might do it all the time. I have no clue. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.